going to be so cool. Old P. Roy, he's not going to expect me bringing him a Christmas present whatsoever. This is going to be so cool. Merry Christmas, P. Roy. You in there? Merry Christmas, P. Roy.
Well, come on in here, Mr. Rick.
Well, hey, P. Roy. How you doing, man?
I'm good, Mr. Rick.
All right, P. Roy. It's just that I had got you a Christmas present.
Well, I'm sure it's fine. It's Christmas, right? So it don't matter what we get each other. I just wanted to give you a present too. So come on in.
Well, you see, I got you this Christmas present. I see you got me one too. I appreciate it, but I'm afraid you're going to be a little disappointed.
Well, I sure do appreciate this.
Well, I'll let you go ahead and open it, and we'll see. Hey, Carl. I see Carl's back with you.
Hey, Mr. Rick, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to you, Carl. But anyway, why don't you go ahead and open it?
All right, well, I'll go ahead and open. Let's see what we got up in there. Y'all take? Uh-huh. All right, let's see what you got here. Huh. Huh. What? I appreciate that, Mr. Rick. Well, I'll wear that.
Well, okay. I'll go ahead and open mine too. Let's see what you got me. I appreciate it. Okay, well, at least like minds think alike, don't we? Yeah. Well, look, if you don't like the shirt, P. Roy, maybe you can give it to Carl.
No, I ain't gonna be able to get it to Carl. Take a look.
Hey, Carl, you. Oh.
Look here, Mr. Rick. I got you a present too. I don't know, though. You said like mine. But I got you a shirt like mine, so like mine, get it? That's funny. Not funny, queer. Sorry about that, Mr. Rick.
Okay. All right. I think what we all need to do is look at the old camera there and say, well, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right?
Well, all right then. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey, y'all. Y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Well, hey, fellers and fellettes. I just want to say thank you for your support during this past year, 2024. And I appreciate everybody that's come by and words of encouragement. Jeff, Philip, my brother, Tammy, Pam. Wow, all you people. And I'm not going to start, I shouldn't even start doing names because I'll certainly leave some people out. But, you know, I appreciate you. I appreciate O'Reilly's and Napa and all these places that have been special to me and patient. But me and my family and OAM Garage just want to truly say thank you for this past year, for watching all. So just know that I do love you, and I know that at the end of these things, old P. Roy and Carl and anybody else who wants to be silly on my show is also welcome. But if you'll also notice that I'm also doing scriptures and things like that, and that's because I care about you. When I tell you at the end to be sweet and I love you, I mean it. Be sweet. And I do love you. John 5:24 says, Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that heareth my word and believeth on him that sent me hath everlasting life, and shall not come into condemnation, but is passed from death to life. And that's what I want for you. You need to accept the Lord as your Savior. Just know that He loves you. He cares for you. He watches over you. But what I want for you is to understand the meaning of Christmas. Understand the meaning of why God sent His Son. Understand the meaning for you, why you're here. Alright? Get that Bible out. Run through some of them verses and find out. Because it's the living Word. Okay? Alright, I'll get off my preacher box. But thank you for loving me too and praying for me. It's been a year, hasn't it? It has. Hopefully next year will be better. We say that every year. But you know what? We're in the hands of Christ, and it doesn't get any better. Alright? Alright, well, y'all be sweet. Don't litter. Come back and see me again next year, because you know I'll be here. God willing. Love you guys.
Appreciate that shirt you gave me, Mr. Rick, for Christmas. Merry Christmas anyway.